In this video, I will show you how to adjust or improve the number of recently displayed fonts in your Photoshop without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you come to the top right here, click on Edit tab, and then come down below right here, navigate to Preferences, then navigate to Type right here. And this is going to pump up right here. So by default, most of the number of recently displayed fonts in Photoshop come with 10. However, in this category, you can increase from 10 to about 20 or 15. So I'm going to make it 15 right here. And the next thing we want to do right here is to come to the top right here, simply hit on OK, and you are done. With that, all the recently fonts that you have been using so far in Photoshop is going to be displaying from 1 to 15 or to the number of the font here that you select in your Photoshop settings like this. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how to set a Photoshop workspace, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.